Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The idea of a $3 billion 2026 Prevost Liberty Motorhome triple slide with a super suite bedroom instantly establishes this hypothetical car as the pinnacle of mobile luxury, surpassing even the most lavish custom commissions. Even if the dollar amount alone conjures up a world of imagination for a single motorhome, it successfully conveys an envisioned degree of luxury, cutting-edge technology, and customization that would completely reinterpret what a home on wheels means. Constructed on the industry-standard Prevost H3-45 VIP chassis, which is well known for its outstanding ride quality, sturdy construction, and spacious cabin, this fictitious 2026 Liberty would push the limits of luxury coach conversion. An important feature is the triple slide arrangement, which shows 3 large slide-out sections that significantly expand the interior living area when parked, turning the vehicle from a road-legal bus into a spacious, multi-zone home. The outside would showcase the innovative design and painstaking craftsmanship. Anticipate a faultless, multi-stage paint job that may include special metallic flakes, personalized designs, or even diamond dust for an unmatched sheen. Every external element would be designed with aerospace-grade accuracy and completed with special materials, from the flush-mounted windows to the integrated storage bays and custom lighting arrays. The car would subtly convey its exceptional worth with its imposing yet graceful appearance. Upon entering the 2026 Prevost Liberty Motorhome, residents would be immediately transported to an unthinkably opulent setting. In this mobile palace, the super suite bedroom would be the focal point. It would be a really private haven, well above the average RV bedroom. Imagine the finest silk or Egyptian cotton linens wrapped around a king-sized, custom-designed bed with an adjustable mattress. The actual space would probably have large windows with panoramic views, maybe with electrochromatic glass for immediate seclusion. Custom walk-in closets, a vanity space, and possibly a covertly concealed safe for valuables would all be integrated into the bedroom. The en-suite bathroom would be just as luxurious as one found in a 5-star hotel, complete with heated marble floors, designer fixtures, and a huge jetted tub or a multi-jet shower. Outside the super suite, the motorhome's interior would open up into several separate, finely furnished living areas, with specially made furniture covered in the best leathers or exotic textiles. The main salon would be a magnificent entertaining area. Audiophile caliber sound systems would be combined with large OLED panels or high-definition, movie-quality projectors that retracted from the ceiling. With its extensive counter space, frequently made of exotic stone, professional-grade, custom-built appliances, and fully integrated smart home technology, the gourmet kitchen would be a chef's paradise. Within the large footprint made possible by the triple slide-outs, there might also be a specialized wellness area, such as a small gym or a meditation area, a private office, and a formal dining area, operating on a fully integrated smart home platform managed by voice commands, personalized touch panels, and remote access. This Prevost Liberty would be technologically decades ahead of its time. Perfect environmental conditions would be maintained by sophisticated climate control and air purification devices. Long-term off-grid autonomy would be guaranteed by strong redundant power systems, such as big lithium battery banks, enormous solar arrays, and silent generators. Global media and internet access would be smooth thanks to state-of-the-art satellite communication infrastructure. At a projected $3 billion, the 2026 Prevost Liberty Motorhome Triple Slide with a super suite bedroom is more than just a car. It's a customized, independent, and extremely safe mobile home that provides its affluent owner with an unheard-of degree of luxury and independence. It is the pinnacle of mobile luxury and a genuine technical and custom design marvel.